Hello friends, welcome to the student world. Today we will discuss about optical activity and its determination. First of all, what is optical activity? Optical activity is the ability of a chiral molecule to rotate the plane of polarized light. किसी भी chiral molecule की plane of polarized light को rotate करने की property को हमने कहा optical activity. So first of all, we have to understand what is plane polarized light. Ordinary light have vibrations in all directions, while the plane polarized light have vibrations only in one plane. This is the normal light when it passed through the polarizing filters. Polarizing filters are actually Nicol prisms. When normal light passes through the polarizing filter, it is converted into plane polarized light. How optical activity is determined? Optical activity is determined by the instrument polarimeter. A polarimeter consists of a monochromatic light source, a polarizer, a sample tube called polarimeter tube, and an analyzer. This is the block diagram of polarimeter. This is the ordinary light. When it passes through the polarizer, it's converted into plane polarized light. When this plane polarized light is passed through the polarimeter tube containing the optically active compound, the optical active compounds rotate this plane of polarized light, and this is the angle by which plane polarized light is rotated. This is analyzed by an analyzer. A plane polarized light, when passes through a tube containing a solution of optically active isomers, the optical active isomer rotates the plane of polarized light, which is analyzed through an analyzer. The analyzer is rotated until the light passes through, and the extent and the direction of rotation is determined. The optical rotation is determined in terms of specific rotation. What is specific rotation? Specific rotation is the angle of rotation in the degrees of plane of polarization of monochromatic light that pass through a 1 decimeter long polarimeter tube containing a solution of concentration of 1 gram per ml. This is the formula by which specific rotation is calculated. Specific rotation is equal to observed rotation upon C into L. C is the concentration of the solution and L is the length of polarimeter tube in decimeter. This will explain with the help of example. This is a numerical. Calculate the specific rotation of optically active sample of the concentration 0.146 gram per ml placed in a 1 decimeter sample tube. The observed rotation is plus 2.70 degree. Now the specific rotation is calculated by this formula and it is calculated as plus 18.5 degree. This is all about the optical activity and its determination. Thank you.